Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today I'm working on month 10. Can you believe it? We've only got 2 more months to go. And as you can see from behind me, I'm just leaving it on my design wall as I'm working it all together and taking off papers that I don't need for markers. So let's get down to the table and I'll show you where I'm at. So this is G1 and G2. And I have mine marked for week 37. I can't believe how fast this is coming along already. So that's these two right here that we're working on today. And it's just flying in, I'm telling you. This is a fast project. So let me show you my blocks. And they're in the reversed order the way that I've showed you. So I'm going to slip them back over. And it's really important that you, when you pick them up just like this. You've got a junction here that it's really important that you meet that junction so that everything lines up nice and tidy for you. So I'm going to pinch that in place and I'm going to pin my corner just to give me that good starting point. And as you can see, that lined right up. I want to make sure that I put a little clip right here because I don't want it to shift as I'm sewing it. And I'm going to make sure that my fabric is lined up with my paper. And I'm going to just clip at the end. As you're sewing on paper, sometimes your paper will start to shift down. So I'm going to pull my pin out now. Drop it in place. There was no hard anything about this for month 10. It came along really quick, really simple. Probably about a 10-minute sew, to be honest with you. And I'm going to lock that seam. And I'm going to just go ahead and tear my paper right here off. Like to get it all in one swipe. But it didn't happen. And then we'll flip it over and repeat the process here as well. And just go ahead and pinch it off. And it should come off in bigger sections than this, but I didn't cross fold it and pull it back in. But that's okay. I don't mind. So now we're going to open this up. And it's kind of like Christmas because it's all lined up just the way it needs to be. You're going to do like we always do. Pull it taut just a little bit. And then you're going to finger press it down in place. You can use your roller if you would like. This one, there's not a lot of bulk or anything. So I'm just going to finger press it so it'll lay flat and slip it up on my iron press and give it just a little bit of heat so that puppy will lay still. And that's all there is to it. I know I need to keep this marker, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this paper out because I don't need it now. I'll pull out this little section here because I won't need it any longer. And I don't want it to get caught up in when I'm sewing the rest of these in. Make sure that block G1 that you have your 4 colors and everything should come in nice and tidy for you. So that's all there is to this for week 37. So let me get this little snippet of paper out. There you go. So I'll see you back again at week 38. Take care, God bless, and have a fabulous week.